guys, reach out the edge, just say no. Braid my ear, tired of the wig them, you know. So a quick style and go back home. We're gonna fall, so let's see. Guys, you're done by Kashi. You know, if you know, you know. So heading back home now, because I cooked before I went here, so I go to my dinner now. So back in my braids, cool on the week them now. So when I reach home, you guys, I'll let you guys know. Watch it. Good length still. So I guess. Guys, I'm actually now in Packing Square, waiting on something to go home. Do you want to catch a wholesale, you know? Guys, what's up, people? This is my new hair, so if you like it, comment below. People, I'm actually going to work in the storm. Look at that, right? But yeah, I reached a minute last night, so what I did, what do I get? I just watched some YouTube video. I'm thinking right now, based on a night shift, I actually made breakfast this morning, cabbage, and then I made lunch, sweet chicken. I'm just gonna want that for my dinner. Especially since that night shift, I don't want to rice. So hopefully I can go to KFC and get a famous bowl. Hopefully that can hold me until 1 a.m. And I have my bun and cheese in my bag. Cause you know, when we're in a fall, I get extra hungry. So that's what's happening right now. I want to show you guys the road shortly, but that's how that. Oh, big up Kashi. Kashi, big up yourself, girl. You've been doing my braids for years. People might start braid about me here now. Cool up for the weekend though. Yeah. I'm going to KFC. What did I cook? The line long, man. Must say, the line long, you see people? I can't wait. We're on, you know which part of the juice part there? Which part of the juice filter? And that's the line long.
Sorry, they miss.
Yeah. People, so what am I gonna eat? Go try to half a tree. Let's come and never cook no food, you know? I'm gonna want a rice. Yeah. Look at that. Just reach our work, so I'm early, actually half an hour early, so I'm just gonna log in and start my that money there. So I'm chat back to you guys on break. Alright, so guys, reach our work, and due to the storm, they actually gave us food. KFC. Oh, ironic, went to KFC today, it was packed. Came to work and got KFC. How nice. 2 pieces of chicken and a slice of bread and some juice. However, I wanted actually famous bowl this today, and I have my bun and cheese and I have an apple in my bag. So yeah, let me go ahead and call Alicia and to see what she's up to. But yeah, I need to go ahead tomorrow and get some edge control because my edges ain't edging right now. It's a bit crazy. That's like a still. people. My bun and cheese, my water. I'm just looking outside. Me. Guys, don't watch your glass. It's actually water though. So, yeah. People, my lunchtime is finished. So I'm going back to work now. I'm gonna look so tired, look at my eyes. Because people, my edge is not edging at all. Tomorrow I shall buy an edge control. Cause this not cute. This not cute at all. Man, I feel them know when my lunchtime done still not come. I can't calculate properly. So before I violate, I rather go in early. He's about to come out. What time now on here? What time? 9:34. My team is supposed to have like 5-10 minutes, something like so. That's my love come over anytime evenly, some of the but anyway. Today was just a short vlog going to work during the hurricane, so that's all that. See you guys at 1. Oh, yeah, later.
We have 3 wedges.
So guys, late night snack, right?